friends, welcome. It is Rachel here, and today I am making this cute little bunting banner kind of thing, and I'm using the Cocoa Vanilla Studio These Days collection that I got from Scrapbook Nerd. This is a video for Scrapbook Nerd today, and I'm really excited about this. This is something that you can hang up at your house, you can give to a friend, you can make for a friend for their birthday or Christmas, or can send it to like a pen pal and Happy Mail. You can hang it, you can make them seasonal, hang them around your house or on the fireplace, different places around your house for different seasons. So I'm really excited about this project. I actually got a die that I haven't used yet, and so that's what this is. And so I'm excited to make this. I'm slightly regretting not sewing around all of these because it kind of had a little indentation, so I thought I didn't really need to sew, but kind of regretting that now, but it's okay. I still like how it turns out. I used that frame to make a little shaker. That frame was from the ephemera pack. I am using a lot of the tiny word stickers that were in the sticker sheet, and I actually finished up that sticker sheet, which is really exciting. I feel so good when I use stuff up, and so yeah, I felt really great about that. I felt really great that I used that up, and now thinking about it, I feel like I need to do a little decluttering in my craft room. I don't know about you, but sometimes it feels good every once in a while to just declutter some of my supplies, so I might do that soon. I usually donate it to like the local like day programs with people with special needs, or there's also at my church there is a program for like empowering young girls to be leaders, and they do a lot of crafts and stuff. I'm a leader in that group, so I have donated it there before. There's so many different places you can donate this kind of stuff. But a lot of those have not been meeting in person the past 2 years, so that's why I've had a little bit of overflow. So I do have a friend that I might give to that has kids, and there's been a lot of times indoors these past 2 years, so crafts are a good thing to do in my opinion. Let me know what you do when you get rid of stuff, because we need to get rid of some stuff to make room for the new stuff. Am I right? That's what I love about using up my stuff. It's a perfect excuse to buy more things. Is that bad? Please tell me I'm not alone with that. I love to purge my stuff once in a while. Well, mostly I love to use it up. And then if there's a few things left, purge it and get rid of some stuff and donate it, give it to someone else who could use it, and then fill your craft room with some fresh, inspiring new craft supplies. Is that a bad way to go about things? It's the way I go about things. Anyway, that second little banner, I did like a little floral thing on the side and the corner. And then on this one, I'm going to use one of these word stickers. It says home. So I am going to do that one in the middle. I did 5 different banners. I did 2 that had like white backgrounds, and then 3 colorful ones, and gonna do like every other. And yeah, at this point I'm actually kind of running low on things. I'm really using like the last bits and pieces, which I love. Like I said, it's so exciting to me. I love these gold glitter little puffy hearts that come in this collection. They're so fun. I'm just using some gems from my stash. This collection also comes with both an ephemera pack with regular ephemera that's so cute, and also a floral pack. So I think I'm going to hang this in my craft room. I just love it so much. I think it's really cute. And like this collection is my favorite, and I feel like I want to keep everything from this collection. I put this to the side for now, but I do add more to it. Oh yeah, I add more here. I wasn't sure if I added to it later or what, but at first I put it away thinking I was done, but I did want to add some more, so I'm going to add a few little things. And yeah, so I did just get some new products in recently from Scrapbook Nerd that I'm so excited about. I got some Maggie Holmes Market Square, which I wasn't going to get And then I did. Don't judge me. And then I got some of Vicky Bouton's new collection. I got some Pink Fresh Studio stuff. So that haul will be up on my channel in March. So you can see that if you want to go there. But yeah, I'm just so excited about the products in the shop right now. It's interesting, there's some years when collections come out that you're like, meh, they're okay. And then once you see people start using them, I automatically am like, okay, order. I want all of that. I don't know what it is, but sometimes you see it in previews. I'm like, and it's like, yeah, it's fine. And then you see people crafting with it and you're like, oh my gosh, I need that. I don't know. There's something about like seeing it in action and seeing other people use it that makes it different. I don't know. So this doily is just for my stash. And I'm going to use that kind of as a base for this one. I forgot to add a phrase sticker. I was trying to add some like words to every single banner so they just kind of flowed together. And going to add some florals to this and some leaves. I have an inspiration board in my craft room where I put mostly stuff that I get from pen pals, but also some things that I make as well if I decide to keep it. And so I think I might put this up there and just hang it with all the other things I have up there because I just love the colors in this collection and everything is just so cute about it. I love that jar on the yellow banner. I love that like jar with the little house scene. I don't know what it is, but it's cute. I kind of wish I would have done more shakers on these, but now I know for next time, like I said, this was like my first time playing with these banners, so next time I definitely am going to do like a shaker one, which I think would be really cool. So yeah, I like this cute little bouquet. It's like a little bouquet in a basket, and I think that's really cute. I've been using a lot of foam on these things as well to give a little bit more dimension, so you can definitely do that. And there's also a new to me product that I'm going to use in a second, and it's this gold ink. Oh, I forget what it's called. I will link it down below because I totally forget what it's called and I don't think I show it. So I apologize for that. I'm doing a terrible job at this design team thing, but I will link it down below so you can take a closer look at this product if it's still available. Maybe it's sold out, but if it's still available, it'll be linked. And because I'm trying to find a replacement for my gold Tidy Swap Color Shine, Enjoy, the owner at Scrapbook Nerd, said, hey, try this. And so what I do is I get my brush a little bit wet with water and then dip it in there because it's a little bit thick, so you can't just like use the brush. It's still liquid, but it's just a little too thick to splatter it. So I am loving it so far. I'm just trying to find a good technique for the splatter. But as far as the product itself is fantastic, and it doesn't leave that ring like the Heidi Swapp Gold Color Shine does. Like, it doesn't leave any of that residue. And then I wanted to add a little bit of pink as well, so I just grabbed this from my stash. But I did pink and gold, and there it is, finished on a little bit of like a ribbon, and I think it looks really cute. You'll have to let me know what you think, but I'm happy with it. Let me know if you've made something like this before. I'm going to have fun experimenting with this. And yeah, so all the links will be down below. Check out Scrapbook Nerd and everything available. Love this collection. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye!